This is the Amazon forest, the largest and wildest jungle on our planet. A jungle so vast that if you were dropped in its center, it would take you exactly 472 days to find your way out. And during that journey, you'd encounter creatures whose size, big or small, doesn't matter, because they all share one goal: to kill you and fill their stomachs. Because this is the Amazon forest, and here, even the smallest insect bite can be enough to take your life. This jungle covers 5.5 million square kilometers of land, a region so huge that it could easily fit 7 countries the size of Pakistan, 2 countries the size of India, and 157 countries like Dubai, all within its borders. This forest stretches across 8 countries, from the American states through Colombia, Guyana, Brazil, and Peru, ending deep within Bolivia. And here's something that might surprise you. 20% of all the oxygen that living beings breathe today comes directly from this forest. With over 40 trillion trees, this jungle is ruled entirely by nature itself. Everything here happens on its own. Today you're going to discover some astonishing facts about the Amazon forest that you may have never heard before, just how massive it truly is, and which creatures have ruled it for thousands of years. And subscribe to the channel, friends. While the total area of the Amazon forest is about 5.5 million square kilometers, its outer border alone stretches nearly 9,500 kilometers, a distance equal to traveling 7 full rounds between Mumbai and New Delhi, or between Karachi and Islamabad. This vast and dense forest is also called the Amazon rainforest, because there's rarely a single week in a year when it doesn't rain here. The Amazon is so dense that when it rains, it takes almost 10 minutes for the water to pass through the thick canopy and finally reach the ground. And because of this density, daytime here feels like night. The sunlight simply can't break through the layers of towering trees. Within this endless wilderness exist countless species of rare animals, birds and plants found nowhere else in the world. So far, scientists have identified 40,000 plant species, 300 types of exotic birds, 200 fish species, 272 mammals, and over 380 strange and unique creatures. And when it comes to insects, this place is home to more than 2.5 million species of poisonous bugs and crawling predators. From the outside, it looks beautiful from the outside, but inside it's just as deadly, because here, anything can happen at any moment. In this jungle live creatures both big and small, each one more dangerous than the other. If a human even accidentally enters this forest, the first encounter will likely be with the green anaconda. The green anaconda is the largest and most venomous snake in the world, growing up to 30 feet long and weighing nearly 250 kilograms. One of its most terrifying traits is this: when it hunts, it can swallow animals bigger than itself alive in a single strike. No one knows exactly how many anacondas live in the Amazon, but along with them, this forest is home to thousands of deadly snake species. Like cobras and pythons, you've probably been bitten by an ant at some point in your life. They're smaller than a grain of wheat, yet when they bite, the pain shakes your whole body. But deep in the Amazon forest lives a species of ant whose sting is far more painful than anything you've ever felt. Known as the bullet ant, this deadly insect carries venom inside its body and grows up to 4 centimeters long, the largest ant species in the world. If, by chance, it bites a human, the pain is so unbearable that it can even lead to death. It's called the bullet ant because those who have experienced its sting say the pain feels exactly like being shot by a bullet. Across this jungle that stretches for thousands of miles flows the second longest river in the world, and by water flow, the largest river on Earth, and the Amazon River. Its total length is 6,140 kilometers. All the rainwater that falls across the Amazon forest flows through this river and eventually empties into the ocean. At an average depth of 329 feet, this river is home to thousands of massive crocodiles, that will go to any extent to satisfy their hunger. Every second, nearly 219,000 cubic meters of water flows through the Amazon River. To understand how much that is, the world's largest swimming pool, City Stars Sharm el-Sheikh in Egypt, could be completely filled in just 1 second. With the amount of water that passes through the Amazon, even if you combine the world's top 14 largest rivers, their total water flow still can't compete with the Amazon River. Because of limited human activity, many strange and mysterious creatures have been spotted here. Among them, one of the most fascinating is the pink dolphin, about 9 feet long and weighing around 200 kilograms. These dolphins are faster and smarter than other species, thanks to their larger brains. Normally, dolphins are friendly with humans, but the pink dolphin is the only dolphin known to attack humans.